guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm gonna make DIY ice cream using 3 ingredients only. We also need bowl and electric mixer. Let's start. First, we put the cream. Yummy. I also love cream. Weird. First, let's whip the cream. Now we add the condensed milk. A little bit messy. Come on. More. It's my favorite. Let's whip again. Now we're done, so you need to add the cookies. A little bit of the cookies. Cookies and cream everywhere. Now we're gonna mix it. Where's the mixer? Okay. Now we're gonna mix it and faster. And we hurry as we can. Then we'll transfer to a clean container. A little crazy. Now we're a little crazy. Cover it. And now let's put it in the fridge. Now I'm gonna put it in the ref in 6 hours. And a little bit help. No. Help. That was hard, isn't it? Now let's wait for 6 hours. I'm gonna excited to eat. Today, I'm gonna taste ice cream that I made. Oh, yummy, isn't it? Little cold. Mhm. Bye everyone, see you in my next vlog.